How we spend our days is, of course, how we spend our lives. The way you live your days is the way you live your life. She read books, as one would breathe air, to fill up and live. No one escapes the wilderness on the way to the promised land. You can't test courage cautiously. The dedicated life is worth living. You must give with your whole heart. A scheduled defense from chaos and whim. A net for catching days. The sensation of writing a book is the sensation of spinning, blinded by love and daring. Spend the afternoon. You can't take it with you. I am a fugitive and a vagabond, a sojourner seeking signs. I know only enough of God to want to worship Him, by any means ready to hand. God gave me a talent to draw. I owed it to Him to develop the talent. Innocence is a better world. I couldn't unpreach the peaches. We are most deeply asleep at the switch, when we fancy we control any switches at all. You can't test courage cautiously, so I ran hard, and waved my arms hard happy. Anything you do not give freely and abundantly becomes lost to you. We are here to witness the creation and to abet it. Every day is a God, each day is a God, and holiness holds forth in time. We wake, if we ever wake at all, to mystery, rumors of death, beauty, violence. There is a muscular energy in sunlight, corresponding to the spiritual energy of wind. Beauty and grace are performed, whether or not we sense them. Your feelings are none of your business. I would like to learn or remember how to live. The extravagant gesture is the very stuff of creation. The interior life is often stupid. Dan Gerber is one of our finest living poets. I can't dance anymore. Total knee replacements. I can't do anything anymore. Every live thing is a survivor, on a kind of extended emergency bivouac. Push it, examine all things intensely and relentlessly. The universe was not made in jest but in solemn, incomprehensible earnest. Adverbs are a sign that you've used the wrong verb. I saw in a blue haze all the world poured flat and pale between the mountains. Our life is a faint tracing on the surface of mystery. What could you say to a dying person that would not enrage by its triviality? Art is like an ill-trained Labrador retriever that drags you out into traffic. Then why did you tell me? Make connections, let rip, and dance where you can. The real and proper question is, why is it beautiful? I cannot cause light. The most I can do is try to put myself in the path of its beam. Ecstasy, I think, is the soul's response to the waves holiness makes as it nears. The Pulitzer is more useful than meaningful.